Good morning, McKenna. This is Miss Byers here, and I'm giving you the gift of my voice in a video so that you can listen to it forever. But I'm going to go ahead and grade your paper and give you some feedback about how you did. I do notice in your heading here you did not refer to me as "Oh, great one" or the lovely Miss Byers, but that's okay. I'm not mad at you. Let's talk about your introduction. Your first reason for comparing is very good. It's strong. I like it. Your summary of your genocide novel is very specific, very clear. Definitely makes me want to read your novel. I do have one question though. Right here you refer to 6 million. Are you talking $6 million? 6 million what? So that could be a little bit more specific. Right, your first similarity is a very good similarity. Some advice for you. You don't offer any sentences at the end that tie the two together. You give us examples from Night, and then you also give me an example from Tears in the Desert, but you don't really explain how they're similar or you reflect on them too much. Also, in MLA formatting, in the citation, you don't need the comma. In APA, you do, but not in MLA. But a great start to your first similarity. It just could use a little bit more clarification. Your next similarity is also a very good similarity. Again, it's a little short because you don't really explain why they're similar. You give me the example from each novel, but you don't reflect on it. And the reflecting sentences, the explanation sentences are really important. Right, again here, your third similarity, very good similarity. This is an excellent similarity, probably one of your best. However, you don't really explain and go in detail, and the details are really, really important. You just kind of give us an idea, but you don't really give us specifics. You have page numbers cited here, but you don't really talk about the examples on those pages that prove your similarity. So keep that in mind. All right, this similarity is very good. Just one little thing in general to keep in mind. You start off in past tense here by saying Omer insisted to stay next to his father, and then you switch to present tense right here. We want to keep your tenses alike. Your next similarity, very, very well done. You give a lot of detail about your genocide novel example, and that's good. Could use, just like the other ones, a little bit more reflection. Okay. Your differences are pretty strong, especially with your setting. Your second difference about the perpetrators and how they went about killing is good. I understand what you're saying, but you need to explain a little bit more about some of the techniques or tactics, especially right in this part here. It's a little vague. Very sad stuff. For this difference, this is a great difference. And one thing I do notice is that you give a lot of good details about your genocide novel, but then in Night you kind of just give us a few sentences. And again, you still want to really tie in why these two examples are similar or are different. You need a little bit more reflection. Your next two differences are really good. I like this one a lot right here. You give a good explanation, good examples to support you, so that's good. Put a nice little heart there. That's how much I love that one. Okay, you want to make sure that you always capitalize God. It's a proper noun. Okay, your lesson is good. I would like to have seen a little bit more elaboration, but you included your lesson, so you got all the points for that. All right, McKenna, so your final score is 116 out of 140. That gives you an 82%. Now that we've done with the paper party, I got a funny little joke for you. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. Did you hear about the race between the lettuce and the tomato? The lettuce was ahead, and the tomato was trying to catch up. Isn't that so funny? Anyway, if you don't get it, let me know when I see you in class, and I can clarify it for you. Anyway, have a good one.